Hi everyone. May sayings that you cannot influence who you cannot inspire. So, ito is effectively influence other. You first need to inspire them bago mo ma-influence yung mga ibang tao. Fostering a sense of motivation and belief that possibly of change or action. So, bilang isang influence people, require neto yung foundation ng belief. If someone isn't inspired or doesn't believe in the possibility of change, they are less likely to be receptive to your influence. So, focus on building a connection. To inspire someone, focus on understanding their needs, values, and aspiration, and then present the ideas that resonate with them. So, dapat meron ka ding authenticity na tinatawag. People are more likely to be inspired by someone who is authentic and genuine, who lives by their values, and who demonstrates passion for what they believe in. Action speaks louder than words. Inspiration can be conveyed through your actions and the way you live your life rather than just through your words. Ramdam natin kapag yung isang tao is merong sincerity, may genuine love, kesa nakikita mo lang or naririnig mo lang sa sinasabi lang niya, pero hindi mo nakikita sa ginagawa. So, we cannot influence who you cannot inspire. Inspire them first bago mo sila ma-influence sa buhay mo. Ito yung gusto kong maging goal din ngayon para mas marami tayong ma-influence, mas kailangan we have to inspire them. Hope you learn something dito sa motivational talk natin ngayon. Mahirap influence sa taong hindi na inspired sa'yo. Hindi tumatatak sa kanila kung sino ka. Hindi dahil sa kung anong kasuotan mo, status mo sa buhay, but how you nourish them. Na meron kang something na ibinibigay sa kanila na nakakapag-motivate them. Hope you learn something. Thank you everyone and God bless.